guys, so hopping straight into things, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my apple cider vinegar taste good and how I use this recipe to make it more beneficial for my weight loss journey. So as you see, I have a pot of water because I use tea. That is right. That is the secret to how I get my apple cider vinegar to taste good. I either use the Yogi Blueberry Slim Life Green Tea or the Yogi Detox Tea. I also use some 100% all natural pure honey, no sugar, no added preservatives, no nothing. This just makes this taste a lot more sweet. And I use ground turmeric. Ground turmeric aids in digestion. It's good for weight loss as well. And yeah, so while the hot water is boiling, I'm gonna list some of the ingredients that are in these two teas here on the screen. I really love the detox tea, but I use the green tea too, just to switch things up so that you know, I don't get used to the taste and get bored with it. But the detox tea has a lot of good organic things in it, a lot of good herbs in it, like cinnamon bark, ginger root, burdock root, dandelion root, clove bud, black pepper, long pepper berry, Chinese skullcap root, just a lot of good things in it. And then you just imagine you're using a detox tea and apple cider vinegar and turmeric. Like, come on, we not gonna have a waste soon, very soon, okay? So as you see, you guys, I put my tea bag in the water while it's boiling. I know, you know, most people put the tea bag in the cup and then pour the hot water in, but I just feel like I get a better taste when I put it in the water while it's boiling. Quick disclaimer, you guys, you should not use a glass mason jar when doing this. You shouldn't be using any glass, anything when pouring in hot water. But I wanted you guys to see everything that I was doing, and you wouldn't have been able to see that if I used a regular coffee mug. So I'm just shaking up my apple cider vinegar here to make sure that I get everything mixed all in, that's settled to the bottom. And I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I know I'm not actually using a tablespoon, you guys, but I'm really good at measuring out how much 2 tablespoons is at this point because I do this on an everyday basis, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my pure honey. This is about 1 teaspoon of pure honey, and I'm going to mix that in at this point, you guys, because I don't want anything to get stuck or settle at the bottom. I want everything to be mixed in so I can taste everything and that I can absorb everything, okay? Now I'm going to pour in just a dash of my ground turmeric, and literally, you guys, you could drink this as it is right here, but like I said, it is disgusting. This does equate to about 1 shot of detox juice, you know, product, whatever. But I would not suggest taking an actual shot because it can mess up the enamel on your teeth. I'm just showing you guys how much this actually is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my tea because, like I said, I need this to taste good. I need this to be something that I can do on an everyday basis, and with the help of this tea, I actually can. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll a lemon around just so that I can get as much juice from it as possible. I'm gonna cut it in half and squeeze that into my tea as well. Lemon in hot water alone every morning is also very good for your digestive system. At the end of the day, this is just a no waste gang, snatch waste gang type of drink, okay? But I just wanted to upload this video really quickly for you guys because I am going to be mentioning this drink in a few upcoming videos because I am going to be uploading some videos of some different weight loss challenges that I'm going to be doing, you guys, just so that I can keep you guys entertained on this weight loss journey and have some fun with this for myself. So that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.